This video will show you how to use sticker tokens. If you've received the sticker token code and you would like to use it to order stickers for your photomap, go to thunderbunnylabs.com/redeem to add the tokens to your account. Type in your sticker token code and then click Redeem. Great! Now these sticker tokens are in your account and can be used to order stickers. When you're ready to order stickers, click Order Stickers. In order to pay for your stickers with sticker tokens, the checkbox that says Use sticker tokens must be checked. If you don't have enough tokens to cover the whole order, the order total will display how many tokens will be used and any extra cost needed to order the stickers. Click Add Stickers to Cart. Once your stickers are in your cart, go ahead and check out as usual. If you have already added stickers to your cart without using tokens, you will need to remove them first and then add them to your cart again. Want more tips and tricks? Check out our video on tips and tricks for the map maker in the card above.